Ekiro kyakeseza olwaleero abatujju ba ADF nate balumbye ekyalo mu Kamwenge gye badde banoonyeza emmere oba ekyokulya gye basangidde omukadde ne bazzukulu be babiri ne babatta era babookedde mu nnyumba yaabwe ekyomukiso mubi balusuddemu akaba naye ebibinja byaffe ebiyigga akabinja kano kuba ke kabinja ke kamu akalumba wiiki ewedde abatta abantu 10. Ebibinja byaffe binoonya oba eyigga akabinja kano bikyagenda mu maaso mpaka nga wabasse, sijja balimba nti tugenda bakwata mpaka nga bakoze eki nga wabasse. Kijjamiza naye twetema nti tujja genda mu maaso n'obunyiikivu okulaba nti obubinja buno tubumalayo abantu baffe bebeere mu mirembe gyabwe gyetaagisa. The purpose of this press conference is to announce a major activity that is going to take place in one of the sub-regions of this country. And secondly is to inform the country about another unfortunate incident in Kamwenge that happened last night in one of the sub-counties. But let's start with the positive news. Following the attacks in the Rwenzori sub-regions by the Allied Democratic Forces terrorists, His Excellency the President of Uganda and the Commander-in-Chief of the UPDF has directed for the reactivation of local defense structures in the areas surrounding Kibale National Park and the Greater Rwenzori sub-region to protect communities against these attacks. The UPDF, therefore, hereby announces the mobilization and recruitment of local defense personnel in the districts of Kamwenge, Kitagwenda, Bunyangabu, Kyenjojo, and Kasese. The recruitment will be conducted in two phases. Phase 1 will run from 27th of December, which is tomorrow, 2023, to 10th of January, 2024. This will cover the districts of Kamwenge, Kitagwenda, and Bunyangabu. Phase 2 will cover the districts of Kyenjojo, Kyegegwa, and Kasese. Phase 2 will begin immediately after Phase 1 and will be conducted as in Phase 1. You know, the same methodology and the timings. The mobilization and recruitment will be conducted in 60 parishes stroke wards according to the quota system. Each parish stroke ward shall contribute 12 recruits, making a total of 720 personnel in Phase 1. Each parish stroke ward, I will just mention that. The criteria to recruitment, the criteria for recruitment shall be as follows. 1, one must be a citizen of Uganda. 2, the person should be ready for volunteer service. In other words, it will be voluntary or volunteering by the individual, not forceful or conscription. The person must be physically and mentally and medically fit. 3 or 4, they must be adults aged between 18 and 45 years of age. 5, they must have a minimum education of primary 7. 6, they must carry letters duly signed by the LC1 chairpersons and the defense secretaries of those areas I mentioned. 7, they should be residents of the area. 8, no criminal record. 9, they must be disciplined. And that's why we are requiring the letters from LC1 and the Secretary for Defense. 9, yes, disciplined. 10, no, they should not be having any other employment or engagement. The mobilization will be conducted by the resident district commissioners, deputy resident district commissioners, Uganda People's Defense Forces, Uganda Police Force, Internal Security Organization, Local Council 1 chairpersons, and the secretaries for defense. We do call upon the residents of these districts I mentioned earlier to indeed cooperate with the mobilization teams and recruitment teams. Like I said, mobilization takes effect effective from tomorrow, the 27th of December. And as I said, the recruitment in this phase 1 shall be between 27th of December and the 10th of January 2024, so that we do start in phase 2 immediately after. I thank you.